Okay, let's do the merging of Knuckles with Venom. All right. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, I'm gonna draw like his head kind of aiming that way and make it pretty ruthless over there. So I'm gonna go down here, kind of for Knuckles, kind of the furrowing brow. Up right here for the eye, top of his eye. Curve down. All right, gonna go over here, curve over here for the kind of the top of the mouth. So far it's still very Knuckles, right? How would Knuckles look like if he was merged with Venom? Curve right there for kind of the top of the mouth. Pulling up. Angle right there for the tip of the nose. Curve down. Line down over here, fill it up. Line up. Line up. Gonna go over here and pull another line to kind of make it look a little extra angry. We want to make it look a little bit extra angry right here. To throw all these lines over here. And it gives it a more kind of like aggressive look. Don't forget, by the way, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like these mixtures. Make a request, by the way. And also, what would you name this guy? A Venom Knuckles. What would you name it? Venom Knuckles? Knuckles? I don't know. Give me an idea of what you would name this character. Down over here for underneath. Pulling up over here for kind of the mouth area. He's gonna be opening his mouth, so line over here, open mouth, curve line here because that's very Venom. The side of the mouth, it has a kind of that it's like a piece of skin that dinosaurs have and lizards have. Venom has it too when he opens his mouth, and it's basically a piece of skin. Line down here. Line over here for the teeth. Right here. Literally, they're just angled lines downward, right? But what I want you to do is I want you to kind of take care and kind of follow. Like there. So you got those teeth all up in there. Let's go over here. We're going to have the tongue sticking out. And I want the tongue to kind of roll out here from underneath, like so. Gonna curve back. Going back over here, back over here. Alright. Kind of covering the mouth first. Line over here, he's really opening his mouth wide. For now we're underneath. Line over here, kind of finding the finishing the lines over here in this area for the rest of the tongue. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna fill in some of this stuff dark. Line over here. Filling in the dark over here underneath the top teeth right there, kind of getting a little bit of separation. If you like this, hit the like button, by the way. It helps out the channel and definitely helps the algorithm out. Line over here, line over here. And maybe fill in some dark over here underneath the tongue as well. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go over here at the bottom. Stretching skin right there as he opens the mouth. Right over here. Kind of the cheekbone right there pulling in. Line over here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pull out here. And we're going to go into the forehead. He's got this huge kind of cranial mass. So pulling back. Back over here. It's going to pull down. And I want that to really curve down. His tendril, I want it to be longer. Over here as well, I want it to cross, so it really looks like it's kind of alive. If you like this version of Knuckles, do me a huge favor, like I said, and hit that like. Curve right here. This Knuckles Venom version. I want them long and stringy. I just feel like there'd be a lot more liquidy, and another one's gonna pull out over here. Like so. Looking pretty good, I think, so far. Pretty good. Gonna go over here, maybe throw line inward. Ready. And I'm gonna think of like maybe some curved lines over here, maybe some darks right here. I'm not gonna color them entirely dark, but it's because I want you to be able to see what's happening here. But I will put some thick lines over here for shadow. Line over here as well. Again, give me some ideas. Line over here as well. Just gonna give it that shiny look without having to fully shade and everything. All right. And let's see what else we can do. Maybe another curve right here on the top. And I could probably draw the curve right here of the chest, and then a curve right here of that crescent he has on his chest. I think that would be good enough. I'm not going to draw his hand. Oh, should I draw his hand? Actually, yeah, let me draw his hand over here. I'm going to draw a curve. I'm going to go over here for the thumb. Line right here. As it's kind of clenching, right? The hand, he's showing it. Line over here. Curve right there. He's got that mitten closed, right? Line right here for the stitching. Let's go for the spike right here on this side. Spike right here on this side. I'm not gonna make it too really different because you don't want to put too much, you know. I think it's good like that. It's gonna be too spiky if I draw spikes everywhere. I thought there was a spider right next to me. I was like, wow. Line over here. Line over here. Maybe just an extra thick line right here. I want to thank you very much. Say hi to me in the comments section, and I will say hi to. I will reply to every single comment. So I urge you to challenge me. See how many videos you can comment on or say what's up, and I will reply to every single one of them, no matter how old the video is. Another line right here. You can draw these thinner lines for detail. If you have any questions or you want any like regular art drawing tips, go to sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com is where I have most of the stuff. I'm putting a lot of stuff on the Gumroad, and I'm always working on new, cool, exciting things for you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.